Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to describe people using simple and useful adjectives. Let's begin with the key points. Describing physical appearance, basic adjectives. Describing personality traits, basic adjectives. Combining appearance and personality, real-life conversation, summary. Describing physical appearance, basic adjectives. When we describe someone's appearance, we talk about things we can see, like height, hair, and age. Here are some useful adjectives. Height, tall, short, medium height. Hair, long, short, curly, straight, dark, blonde. Other features: young, old, beautiful, handsome, good-looking. Examples: she is tall and has long dark hair. He is short and wears glasses. They are young and good-looking. Describing personality traits, basic adjectives. Now, let's talk about personality, what someone is like on the inside. Here are some common adjectives for describing personality. Positive traits: friendly, kind, funny, smart, hardworking. Neutral and negative traits: shy, quiet, lazy, serious, talkative, arrogant, stubborn. Examples: my brother is very funny and kind. She is smart and hardworking. He is quiet, but very friendly. She is stubborn and never listens to advice. Combining appearance and personality. Let's put it all together. When we describe a person, we can talk about their appearance and personality in one sentence. Examples: Maria is tall and has curly hair. She's also very kind and friendly. Ali is short and wears glasses. He's quiet, but he's very smart. They're young, good-looking, and really funny. Real-life conversation. Now, notice how Emma and Nina are going to describe both how Leo looks and how he acts.
Have you met our new classmate, Leo?
Yes, he's tall, has short brown hair, and wears glasses. He's also really friendly and smart.
I agree. He seems a bit shy, but he's nice to talk to.
Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Use appearance adjectives like tall, short, long hair, curly hair, young, good-looking. Use personality adjectives like friendly, funny, smart, shy, serious. Combine both in one description. He is tall and quiet. She has curly hair and is very kind. Well done. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.